What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create Google ads, specifically YouTube ads, so you can start getting leads to your sales funnel or to your product or your intro offer or your lead magnet, so you can start getting sales quicker and a whole lot faster. We're going to be using YouTube ads, which is one of the greatest ways to promote and advertise your product and or your services, putting them in front of the right people, attracting the right people that will be the perfect candidates to become customers for your products and services. So watch this whole video to the end. We're going to learn how you do it from the beginning to the end, crossing all the T's, dotting all the I's. You don't want to miss it. And I'll leave the links down below so you can get started right now. Let's dive into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is click the link in or around this video, whether it be a button in the course or in the description. And you're gonna click you click that button, it's going to bring you to this page, which is Google's ads page. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is click start now. You can click it right here, or you can click it in the top right. Now, I'm not going to talk about that in this video. It's real simple. They just ask you for your basic information. I don't want to waste your time. So first go there, create your account, and we're going to pick up what you do and what you should do once you get inside your Google account. Okay, so once you create your account, you're going to be inside the back office of it, and it's going to look sort of similar to this, minus all the analytics, because you have a fresh new account. If you already have an ads account, you should see some things similar to mine. All right, but the first thing you're going to want to do is click new campaign. Okay, and that's going to take you to this page right here. Now, these are all your objectives right here. You could do sales leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness, app promotion, local store visits. But what we're going to do right here, since you're new, okay, I highly recommend you start right here, create a campaign without a goals guidance. Of course, if you've done these a few times, you have an idea of what this means. You can pick the correct one. But for this video, we're going to be using YouTube ads. So it's obviously going to be video. So we're going to click video. It's going to bring you down here. All right. So this is where the magic happens. All right. So you have all these options down here. What I always pick is the custom domain. I just want to make sure they kind of updated this part a little bit. So I'm going to break it down real simple. So basically they took custom video campaign and they split it up into get views and efficient reach. Okay, so the get views is the same as the custom video campaign, but you have a maximum cost per view bid strategy, and efficient reach is with the targeted cost per 1,000 impressions bid strategy. All right, so the whole point of doing this YouTube ad is that we want to reach new people. Okay, what we're going to do is going to click the efficient reach, and we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to click continue. Boom, so you're going to land on this page right here. So first thing you want to do, just want to make sure I don't skip anything. So this is already set. This is your general settings. This is the video campaign. That's what we chose. All right, so this is your campaign name. We just call this test YouTube ads. All right, and then you're going to see down here, all right, where it says your bid strategy. All right, so this is basically asking you for your campaign total. And we're going to do daily right here. And then we're going to change this. This budget can be whatever is yours. I like to do $20. All right, so we'll put $20 in there. It's going to tell you the start date. So if it gets reviewed and everything, it'll start today. So you can leave that the same. And you're going to want to take a look at the networks. All right. So definitely going to keep YouTube, because it's going to be YouTube and they won't give you the option. So video partners on the Google Display Network. Ads can appear on a collection of sites and apps outside of YouTube and Google. We're going to uncheck that. Okay. All right. And we're going to do select locations to target United States and Canada. Each one of those is any one of those is fine. I like to use United States and Canada. All right, and you can also enter another location if those aren't your cities or countries. All right, languages is going to be English. All right, so you see it's popping up down there. I just only do English. Okay, so after you get past the languages, you're going to get to related videos. I just leave that blank. That's fine. Don't worry about that. But you do want to check up under the additional settings, and you're going to look at the devices. Okay, so all eligible devices, computers, mobile, tablet, TV screens. We want to make sure that that is showing all eligible devices. but you can also set specific targeting for your devices. So frequency capping, that basically means how many times you want to show your ad to the same person. I will be honest, if you're showing the same ad to the same person, that could affect your budget. All right, so I like to put a frequency on it. So you can click this right here, and you can use something like no more than 2 times per week to the same person. All right, so you can set that there. Let's go back up. One thing I wanna point out, if you're doing YouTube shorts, okay, so let's go back to the devices. So if you're doing YouTube shorts ads, okay, because you can do that now. What you want to do, you do want to go to specific targeting for your devices, because the shorts are only going to show up on mobile phones and computers. So I would remove TVs and tablets, and I would even move computers and just only do mobile phone. Just want to keep that in mind while you're watching this video, if you're doing a YouTube short, because you can run ads on your shorts as well. All right, you want to uncheck all of those things. All right, so just going back, we're going to go ahead and make this a YouTube short ad. So we're going to change these device settings right here, and we're going to change that to that, and we're going to uncheck these and just leave it for mobile. So right here is where we're going to start getting into the stuff that really matters, okay? But before we get to that, the ad schedule, we want to run it all day. Third party, you can leave that blank. You can also give this ad group a name. We'll still call it YouTube Shorts. So right here, people you want to reach, this is where you can use your demographics and keywords and topics and all those things to target specific people that you would think would be the best fit for your YouTube short ad campaign. All right, for example, like if we went to YouTube and you see up here, I keyed in how to start affiliate marketing. All right, and then you see after I keyed that in, there's an ad right here by this gentleman right here. And this is what would happen with your ad campaign too. Your video would pop up in the feed just like this. You'll be at the top or somewhere around the top or to the side, depending on what device it's on. All right, so that's what it means by that. But what I'm going to show you in this video is my secret sauce. Is what I use is called I use audience segments, okay? But we're going to come back to this part right now. I just want to show you how to run through the ad campaign and create an ad campaign. All of this part right here, we're going to come back to, okay? For the sake of this video, I just want to make sure that you understand how to actually build a campaign. So stay tuned to this video. I'm going to show you how I quadruple my efforts and my results with audience segments. Now moving on, so we're going to be doing a YouTube short video or ad for this campaign. All right, so keep in mind your YouTube short is a short. It's going to be 59 seconds or less. All right, you're going to want to be strategic if you're going to use a YouTube short for an ad. Don't just pick one just because you like it. All right, let me show you and give you an example. So this is my page right here. As you can see, I have a modest amount of views. This account is fairly new. We're growing fast, but I'm gonna use the ones that I'm actively promoting my product or my service, okay? And where I figure if it's already doing fairly well, especially significantly well versus all my other YouTube shorts, if I put money behind it, it's gonna really start going, it's gonna start going viral and get more impressions and more clicks than it already has when it was just organic. So say for example right here, this one that says facts right here, this one has 3.9K views. There's no money that was put behind this. I just posted it and then it started getting views and likes and shares and stuff and comments. Same thing with here, stop selling digital planners and digital products on Etsy. This one had 4.2K views. And I would browse the ones that had a positive effect that is also promoting my product and my service. All right, because I'm going to put an ad behind this and put money behind it, and when they click it, it has to make sense. Whatever I'm talking about, when they click the ad, is going to take them to my landing page. Okay, so all your shorts are going to be in your shorts on your page. Okay, so you just go to your profile and then there's some tabs at the top. You're going to click shorts. That is why I tell you guys to do 5 to 15 up to 59-second short form content. All right, because you can also do ads in behind. Now that you know what a short is and why you should be strategic with incorporating them into your social media strategies because you could run ads from it. All right, so you will see here, you will have to get that URL from that particular video that you're going to add into Google so you can make a YouTube ad campaign out of it. Let me also make sure you understand, when you upload a video that is 59 seconds, it's going to automatically come up as a short. Google does all that for you. And this is how you will be able to tell. So if we were going to use this video right here, I just click this one right here. It has 1.5K views. Well, we'll use this for stop selling digital products or whatever. This is 2.1K views. All right, so right up here at the top, you'll see it has shorts right there. So I'll let you, that's another guarantee to let you know it's shorts, besides it being in your shorts folder, all right? But you won't want to click this entire link. We're going to copy that, and then you'll go to your campaign, and then you're going to right click and paste, and you should see that video pop up in a second. Okay, so as you can see, it pops right up. That's a 5-second video. We're just using this as an example, knowing my videos would be a whole lot longer, but definitely under 59 seconds. So what you're going to do, you want to, once that pops up, you confirm. You can see it over here as well. It's my YouTube channel. You want to put in your final URL. Keep in mind, all this stuff has to be tied to and make sense. So you can't be talking about how to clean your car and then your URL sends it to a website about how to make money online. Google picks up on that stuff, so it's going to get reviewed. So all of it has to be tied in together. So say, for example, I say this ad is called Stop Selling Digital Products or whatever on Etsy. All right. My book and my website talks about that when you go to that website. All right, so I'm not promoting something different that's not tied or whatever. So you can't just pick any random YouTube shorts video that just went viral, and you want to make sure that all this makes sense. So when you're going through this process, when you get reviewed by Google, it'll be easy breezy and you won't have to go through any drama. All right, so here's my website right here. All you would have to do is, I'm going to just copy this URL, go back to the campaign, gonna paste that. All right, and this all has to match. You see they're putting the same thing there. I didn't even do anything. It has to match. That's why I was saying it. All right, so I always want to leave a call to action. They give you some options. You can put shop now, learn more, watch now, start now, book now, download. I just use learn more. All right, and if you can see, let me see, they're not showing it over here, but you could put a little headline. I click this right here, remove myself out the way so you can read it. Your headline appears as the primary line of text next to your video ad. Enter it to 15 characters of text that promotes your video ad. So you see it's popping up, learn more right here. So you can say, learn more today. All right, so that is happening. That is going to be my headline for that ad or whatever. You can see all this is kind of like populating bit by bit by bit. You can upload an image if you want. You can add a banner if you want. That's not going to be necessary because it's going to be a YouTube short. Ad creation. All right, so the ad one creation, you just leave that right there. That stays the same. Now we want to get down here to the bid. So it's target CPM bid, which this means is how much you're willing to pay per click. All right, for your ad. All right, so it's very important. And those clicks do add up real fast. Remember, the algorithm in the ad campaign is sending your stuff out. All right, it's whatever it is gonna do all the work for you and put your ad in front of people. All right, so those clicks add up real fast. For me, I'm super aggressive. We'll just do 20 cents. All right, you make that what you're willing to pay for your ad campaign. Don't be too cheap, but don't be too expensive either. You don't want to spend your money up too fast. All right, but 20 cents is a great number for me. Yours might be 10 cents or whatever. And once you have that right there, then you're just gonna want to click create campaign. Now, as earlier as we was talking about, well, I paused that when we was doing the demographics and specifically targeting your audience. I wanted to touch back on that because the cool thing about audience segments, okay, audience segments, it just basically means that you can run multiple campaigns all at the same time and see which one works. Okay, so say for example, the campaign we just created, I would create different campaigns with different groups. So one group I could say, hey, this is for people who are into affiliate marketing, but they're beginners, people who are into affiliate marketing, but they run podcasts, uh, a lot of different specific groups, and see which one is doing the best. Put a little money behind each one of those, and then the ones that are just flopping, I could turn them off and put the funds I was putting behind them more to the one that's doing exceptionally well. All right, so that's my secret sauce of doing it. If you're just starting out and that seems a little too complex for you, then you could just do what we just did in this video. All right, just target one campaign, but this is a way that I use to get the results a whole lot faster. All right, and testing multiple different groups all at the same time, so I can maximize my time and the ad, and then get the data I need to start scaling what is working. All right, so that's my secret sauce to doing. If you would like me to do a video on that as well, let me know. I'll drop another video and go really deeper into that and show you my ad campaigns in the background. But for the most part, this is the quickest, one of the best ways. Video is still king. YouTube ads is still king. You can do the same thing with your TikTok videos when you repurpose them into your YouTube shorts, man. My only suggestion is if it works organically, it's gonna work. Also, when you put money behind it, it's gonna just scale it to the moon. Now, I hope this video really helped you guys. I tried to make it as short as possible. Things can get a whole lot deeper. I could have made this video a whole lot longer. So if you like me to dive deeper into some other things, please drop them down in the comments. But I hope this video helps you out with your affiliate marketing journey, your digital products, whether you're selling a course or your coach or a content creator. You can monetize your content and scale your business to new heights using YouTube ads, it's more specifically YouTube shorts, okay? So it's just always pay attention to what you're dropping. Be strategic when you do put out content. It could potentially do well, and you could actually put money behind it. But if you want to see anything, drop something down in the comments. I'll reply back. I thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. You guys are the greatest. I see you on the other side of success.